Hey, this is Ron, West Coast Connects. Reached out and spoke with somebody at the front desk last week. Said we could put together some information for you guys, so I wanted to shoot that over. Um, couple SEO tips for your website here. Start getting some more traffic. Hopefully, land a couple more deals a month through your website. We're going to show you how somebody else in your area is doing that and how they got there. So this is your website. I recommend. It looks like when you had the website built out, you did have. Oops. You did have someone write out content, and they did a decent job of getting some keywords in there. I would try to add some more content, get some reviews. Tell us a little bit more about your services. You guys do have a good amount of pages and content built out. It's a shame because when you take a look over here, you guys are getting one hit a month, valued at $18 in pay-per-click advertisement. These are your two URL ratings. These two should be as close to each other as possible, so you should definitely focus on your domain rating a little bit more. I don't know if you guys started with an SEO company. I saw something at the very bottom, but could be getting you guys some better results, especially since it looks like they've been at it for well over a year now. If we take a look at these guys, they're in your area as well in the 805. This is their website, not pretty whatsoever. They do have a bit more content laid out a little bit more clean. And this is what their website is doing for them. They're getting about 700 hits a month, give or take, valued at a whopping $16,000 in Google advertisement. And I can tell you right now, they're not paying their SEO company that much, but that is a huge amount of traffic. And even if you close 1% of that, that's 6 deals a month because this is monthly traffic. It looks like their rating isn't that high whatsoever, so it would be easy to get you guys to help you outrank that, start capitalizing on some of this traffic, some of that lead flow, because I don't really think people are looking up water damage repair for fun over in your area. So good opportunity for you in this market. Going back to this website, these are some of the keywords they're ranked for. They're ranked number 1 for all of these different keywords, and I want you to pay attention to the keyword difficulty and the volume, because some of the keywords that look like you guys are going for on your website have a very high difficulty, but even less volume than some of these other keywords that could get you some good return. A lot of stuff people don't really pay attention to. It's also important to get ranked for non-location specific keywords, just because that's going to help you capitalize on a little bit more traffic outside of where you're at. So let's take a look here. I recommend you guys get your Google My Business optimized, and this is going to put you in this map pack. It's the first thing people see on Google. I read some reports that say about 40% of traffic go to one of these 3 options right here. So I tend to stay away from results that come up on Google that are advertisements unless it's the exact thing I'm looking for. So getting in here organically is going to do a lot for you guys. By doing so, you want to search your company name here. There'll be an option that says own this business, and there'll be quite a few steps that you'll have to go through to get that up and running. There's guides on Google that you can look up if you just type in, Google My Business optimization. Or you can outsource it to someone else, of course. So yeah, let me go through this one more time. I do recommend getting some more content on here. Get some reviews, talk about your different services, different jobs, government agencies you've worked with, towns, anything like that. Anything that is going to put your service in there, or your services and your service area in there as much as possible. So that's all I got for you. This is Ron, West Coast Connects. Thanks for taking the time to check this out. And yeah, I'll see you.